Hey guys, finally Asus has started rolling out a stable update to Android 14 for Asus Gen 10. This is now on its way to global models, including those sold in the EU. In order to get update, your Zenfone 10 need to be software version 33.0220.022.101. Then you have to download 1.3 GB update and install. It will then be a software version 33.1004.0204.65. So if you don't have to see the update notification, you can manually check from your going to the setting option. So let me know in the comment section below, do you guys get a Android 14 update on your Asus Zenfone 10 smartphone? So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.